Combining creativity and flexibility, the foldable phone technology continues to progress every year. Of course, these devices can compete with regular smartphones thanks to their high-end hardware, advanced functionality, mini tablet-sized displays, and adaptability. It's possible that one of these foldable phones is good for you. So in this video, we've got recommendation for the top 5 best foldable phones you can buy in 2025. For more information on the products, we've included links in the description box down below. Let's get started. Vivo X Fold3 Pro. With its state-of-the-art specifications and high-end design, the X Fold3 Pro stands out as an extraordinary foldable phone. For a foldable, it's remarkably lightweight and thin, weighing only 236 grams and measuring 5.2 mm thick when closed. Move to display. The device's 2 large AMOLED screens, including an 8.03-inch internal panel with a 4:3 aspect ratio, make it ideal for viewing videos and images. The display was just stunning. The same striking 6.53-inch outside screen allows you to take pleasure in high contrast, vibrant colors, and support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+. Meanwhile, this phone boasts an impressive up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. Also, it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 engine and runs Android 14 smoothly, providing outstanding performance for multitasking and gaming. While competitors like Samsung provide more robust software experiences, Vivo's Gemini AI improves multitasking. Camera-wise, a main lens of 50 megapixels, an ultra-wide lens of 50 megapixels, and a periscope telephoto lens of 64 megapixels make for breathtaking images in any lighting situation. The 5,700 mAh battery life is exceptional, lasting more than a day on heavy use, and the phone can be fully charged in less than 45 minutes using fast charging, 100-watt wired. The X Fold3 Pro has great hardware, but it isn't as feature-rich as its competitors and doesn't commit as much to software updates. While its worldwide launch, the Vivo X Fold3 Pro is difficult to purchase due to its restricted availability outside of India and China, while offering premium performance, breathtaking screens, and top-tier cameras. Oneplus Open. A daring foray into the foldable phone industry, the Oneplus Open packs a punch in a stylish, book-style package. This device offers a top-notch, multitasking-friendly experience with its 7.82-inch Flexi-Fluid AMOLED inner panel and 6.31-inch AMOLED outside display. Also, one of the best parts is the screen, which has a 120Hz refresh rate for both displays, so everything seems crisp and clear. Combining flair with portability, its lightweight design measures 239 grams. Powerful and efficient, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform drives the Oneplus Open. It boasts 16 GB of RAM using RAM Vita technology to improve multitasking capacity. It also provides 512 GB or 1 TB of storage. Moreover, the Oneplus Open contains AI-powered photographic capabilities like AI Eraser and AI Smart Cutout, which help to remove undesired components from images and enable exact cutout creation. In terms of battery, the 4,805 mAh battery lasts all day and can be quickly charged to 50% in just 15 minutes using the 67-watt rapid charging feature. For camera quality, it boasts twin front cameras, 32 megapixel, 20 megapixel, and a Hasselblad co-developed triple rear camera system, 48 megapixel main, 64 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and 48 megapixel ultra wide. Incorporating state-of-the-art technology, a foldable design, and luxury materials, the Oneplus Open offers 512 GB of storage for approximately $1,699 US. In terms of power, style, and top-tier technology, this is a beast to be reckoned with. Honor Magic V3. With a thickness of only 9.2 mm when folded, the Honor Magic V3, which debuted in July 2024, sets a new standard for ultra-thin foldable phones. Both the primary 7.92-inch AMOLED display and the peripheral 6.43-inch OLED display provide bright, vivid colors and an adaptable refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz. With up to 1 TB of storage, up to 16 GB of RAM, and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 engine, it packs a punch despite its diminutive stature. The 5,150 mAh battery gets the job done, but it won't last forever, even though it charges quickly at up to 66 watt. In terms of camera, the Magic V3's camera system catches vivid, colorful, and clear images, even in low light with its 50-megapixel primary, 50-megapixel secondary, and 40-megapixel ultra-wide sensors. Furthermore, included on this phone are great features as Magic Portal on portable, face-to-face translation, AI eraser for photo, and Honor Notes for business. It has a luxury feel and a minimalist design, and it weighs only 226 grams, making it one of the lightest foldables. With its impressive performance, flexible camera system, and rapid charging, this foldable phone is a tempting option for $1,699 in the US. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Google has refined its second foldable smartphone, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and priced it at $1,800. In keeping with the style of the Pixel 9 series, it has a quality metal body, a smooth hinge, and an aesthetically pleasing design. Both the front and back displays are OLED, and they both have 120 Hz refresh rates and 2,700 nits of brightness, so you can enjoy vivid images even when you're not using the device. Even though it has a somewhat lower 4,650 mAh battery, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold's powerful Tensor G4 CPU, 16 GB of RAM, and up to 512 GB of storage provide great performance, seamless multitasking, and efficient battery life. Android 14, developed by Google, makes use of the foldable design to provide a tablet-optimized user interface, app pairing, and multitasking capabilities like a taskbar. For photography, a 48-megapixel primary sensor, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses provide for a respectable camera package, albeit it falls short of the sophistication of previous Pixel 9 Pro versions. The incorporation of Gemini AI and the device's long-term software support, 7 years of updates, make it an excellent media and productivity tool for individuals seeking a robust, multi-purpose folding phone tablet hybrid with top-notch hardware, design, and software. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is an enticing option, despite its 257 grams weight and bulkiness. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. With its ultra-durable and flexible display and sleek polished body, the Z Fold 6 is Samsung's next daring offering. A roomy 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED screen with vibrant colors and silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rates greets you upon unfolding. Built with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for further durability, it features a 6.3-inch outside screen when closed, so making it ideal for fast work. And with the most recent Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor powering the Z Fold 6, you can expect top-tier performance whether you're multitasking or gaming. Multitasking or storing high-resolution images won't be a problem with the 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB or 1 TB of storage that are available. The 4,400 mAh battery isn't going to hold up for an entire day of intense use, but wait. Thanks to Samsung's smart power management, you can expect to get roughly 8 to 10 hours of moderate use. Also, the camera setup is designed to capture spectacular photos even in low light. It has a 50-megapixel primary sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 10-megapixel telephoto lenses. Selfies and video calls are easily handled with the front and under-display cameras. In addition, the multitasking features, simple flex mode, and compatibility for the S Pen make the Z Fold 6 an impressive device from Samsung. It's perfect for both work and play. Lastly, how much is it? The starting price for the base model is about $1,899 US. It's pricey, but if you want to try out foldable electronics of the future, it's a great alternative.